Just, well, that one is different from the ones that have the brick, have the, what do you call them? The bricks that have holes in them.
You want to go back through the town?
Yeah, let's do. Yeah, it'll be kind of bumpy, but that's all right. My bottom is pretty worn out here. Passing the lactose-free milk trailer. Isn't that an interesting building? Yeah, I might, right up here, take off my jacket now. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it right here. Wow. Here come, no, sounds like a car, but, yeah, it's getting warm. So that's a linden tree. After I finally figured out what Buchen meant, then I thought about, on the map, Buchenwald, which just means beech forest, right? Beech woods. Buchenmühle, Buchenwald. Haven't done my German lesson for today. Oh, yeah. I'm glad you pointed it out. I don't think I would have noticed it. Does he live in an apartment? Oh, a duplex. Oh. The sun's getting warm on our backs. So now you can't see the stork nest, but it's on a tall chimney to the right up here. Hello. There's the stork nest. Where? Oh, right here, yeah. Yeah, the brewery, and the stork nest is up there. Isn't that cool? I don't know, I hope it's showing up. And there's an old building right behind it that is the Old House Brewery. Ta-da. Okay, going on the street. We're gonna go back to the old town. So we'll turn right up here at the museum sign. And go to, this is Marktplatz. There. Going into the old town. A bit bumpy. This is a museum. Morgan. There's the Weissbräu house. And the Hofbräu, which is right behind me here. So let me see if I can slowly turn around here in this little square, Marktplatz. There's the Hofbräu house. So the Weissbräu house, white brew. Maybe it's white beer, light beer. White geraniums. I love this old stone. My brother-in-law Bill could probably tell me what it is. This is where I saw the dog. There you see.
Dog lying there.
Morgen. Sein Hund ist süß. Alt und süß. Historischer Weg. And we're right next to the church here, but the church is over, I guess. Where are we going? Oh, we're just going down here, yeah. This is the old fortress. I don't know what century this was built, but it is pretty old. It's got part of what looks like a city wall, but it's the fortress wall, Festung. Up? Oh, I don't know. Oh, can you ride up it? No, I wouldn't ride up it. Be too hard. I'd have to walk up it. Maybe another day. I'm kind of pooped. We'd have to do it at the beginning of a ride, or else not a ride. Yeah. What time do they open? Let's see. Sunday.
That's for the archives.
Oh, yeah. So I wonder where the hours are.
So we'll see right here up. Remember when we took pictures directly above this?
We went up once, right? Long time ago. Yeah. Yeah, I've got lots of pictures somewhere of this. Woo! Hope there's not some church service going on.